Here are the top 5 bikes that redefine premium riding in 2026. Number 5. Ducati Panigale V4S. Race-bred DNA, electronic suspension, and breathtaking Italian design. Pure performance meets premium engineering.
Number 4. BMW Motorrad K1600 Grand America. 6-cylinder smoothness, massive touring comfort, and cutting-edge tech. This is first-class travel on 2 wheels.
Number 3. Indian Motorcycle Roadmaster Elite. Hand-finished paint, premium sound system, and royal road presence. American luxury at its finest. Number 2. Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. Milwaukee muscle, advanced infotainment, and bold styling that dominates every highway. And number 1, Honda Goldwing Tour. Sofa-like seats, advanced tech, and ultra-smooth ride.